Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Calendly with Google Calendars. If you're already watching this video, you probably have a Calendly account. If you don't have it, then go to calendly.com and create one. After you set up your account, you want to go to your event types, and right here, as you can see, is new event type. So if you don't have this event that you want to connect, basically you need to create one. So you just basically click right here, new event type, and create one. Now when you are again on this page, you're going to click integrations and apps, and you can see here, let's scroll a little bit. As you can see, here's your Google Calendar, so you can click on it. Now you will see all of these options. You can choose from Microsoft and Apple calendars, but let's choose Google Calendar and click connect. Now you're going to choose an account which you want to continue with. Click continue, allow, and after that you will log into your Google calendars, and you will basically see this connection. Now you want to try and add again that event. Let's try again this time, and let's share it. Here's the scheduling details. Now you want to go to your calendar and see if that event is on there. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.